Imagine being able to make $100 a day without spending hours doing manual data entry. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, AI is making it a reality. Think about this. Today, businesses are absolutely drowning in data. Customer info, emails, sales records, you name it, all of it requires data entry. Yet most of this data is still entered manually, which takes hours of work. It's slow, boring, and worst of all, it doesn't even pay that much. But what if AI could do all the work for you while you sit back and cash in? That's where today's AI tools come in. Medallia and Zapier. These are two AI-driven automation platforms that eliminate repetitive tasks and open up freelancing opportunities. No coding or tech skills are needed, just smart automation that works for you. And the best part of it all is that people are already making thousands of dollars automating simple tasks. Businesses are desperate for these smart solutions, and hardly anyone knows how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI to automate data entry, create passive income, and even land high-paying freelance gigs. So, if you're tired of low-paying gigs and manual work, stick around because this is your chance to turn AI into a personal assistant and money-making machine. The tools I'm about to share with you can sort emails, extract key data, update records, and even categorize information, all within seconds. This can save you hours of copying, pasting, and organizing endless spreadsheets. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first tool I will share with you is Medallia. You might wonder how AI replaces manual data entry. That's where Medallia comes in. It is an AI-powered tool that can analyze, sort, and extract information from massive amounts of data in seconds. So, no more staring at spreadsheets all day, just hand it over to the AI. So, how exactly does Medallia work? It uses machine learning algorithms to automate many aspects of text analysis. This enables it to extract any important details that you need from emails, invoices, or documents. It can also categorize text based on keywords, topics, or sentiment. Finally, it can convert unstructured data into usable, organized information. Basically, if you've ever had to copy and paste names, emails, or order numbers into a spreadsheet manually, you should know that Medallia can do that automatically. So here's an example of a possible use case. Imagine you're working for an e-commerce brand that gets thousands of customer reviews. Manually going through each one of these reviews and then sorting them would be next to impossible. But with Medallia, you can train the AI to scan reviews and instantly sort them into categories. So there could be a category for positive reviews, one for complaints and issues, and one for feature requests. This will help the company to more effectively respond to customer requests and not overlook any of their concerns. Another similar example would be email sorting for businesses. Think about how cluttered your email gets. Now imagine running a business that gets hundreds of emails daily. Customer inquiries, invoices, spam, it's total chaos. With Medallia, you can automate the sorting. Urgent customer complaints. This category of emails would get immediately forwarded to support so they can deal with the complaints and work on solving them. This is important for any business to keep the goodwill of their customers. Potential clients and new opportunities, these types of emails could be tagged for a follow-up. It is not as urgent as the first, but it still needs to be followed through so the business can capitalize on any opportunity for growth. Spam and irrelevant emails. Now this is the category that needs to be filtered out. The AI can sort emails automatically into these categories and save any business hours of time and effort. Any freelancer who can set this up for a business will earn a good amount of money. So now, let's learn how to get started using Medallia. First, go to medallia.com and you will see this page. Once you click on Platform, you will see several options related to automating tasks. For the example we discussed above about customer reviews, there is a specific option that says Comprehensive Feedback Capture. Once you click on it, you will see how detailed and advanced the analysis is at Medallia. It allows you to capture feedback from both customers and employees conveniently. It lets you use AI to immediately respond to customer complaints in real time, making sure they are not left hanging. This builds a strong relationship between the business and its customers. Now, if you go over to the Solutions option on the top, you will see many more capabilities of this AI tool. It can give you automated insights from any conversation. It has pre-built surveys that can provide quick insights. The intelligent callback feature is very useful for e-businesses, as customers need to speak with agents and can get frustrated when there is a long wait time. All these features can help you automate and monetize repetitive tasks like the ones we mentioned above. So what's the delay? You can start using this AI to automate your tasks today. Now, let's move on to an even more powerful AI tool, Zapier. If Medallia helps you analyze and organize data, then Zapier takes it a step further. It can connect different apps and automate entire workflows without you having to lift a finger. Zapier is an automation tool that links over 6,000 apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, Shopify, Trello, and Airtable, just to name a few. Think of Zapier as a virtual assistant that automatically moves data between apps, saving you from having to spend hours manually doing it. So now let's share an example that shows how you can use Zapier to make your job easier. Let's say you're running an online store. You have to handle tons of orders, emails, and inventory updates, which can all take hours if done manually. With Zapier, this can be made a lot easier. Connected with Shopify, Zapier automatically updates your inventory spreadsheet every time a new order is placed. The customer immediately receives a confirmation email, and the warehouse team is notified via Slack message. Once the item is shipped, tracking details are also sent automatically. As you can see, minimal human input is needed. Many e-commerce brands will pay you to automate these parts of their business. When shopping online, you might have noticed how quickly you receive confirmation emails and tracking details. Chances are the brand was using Zapier for automation. Another example of what Zapier can do for you is automate your social media posting. Many businesses have to waste hours and hire an entire team to manually post updates on their Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn pages. But with Zapier, this all changes. Let's say you write a blog post, and Zapier can automatically post it onto your social media pages for you. If you schedule a post for Instagram, it can also share it on your other social pages like Facebook. Finally, let's say you get a new YouTube subscriber. With Zapier, the subscriber can automatically get a welcome email. For brands, all this automation saves time and boosts engagement, and they'll gladly pay you to set it up for them. Even after paying you, they will still save a lot more money due to the benefits of all this automation. So, how exactly can you get started using Zapier? Firstly, go to Zapier.com and join millions of people who automate their work using the platform. You will be asked to sign in or sign up for a new account. You can use your Google account to do this and save time. You will be asked about what your role is, as it helps Zapier to personalize the experience. If you are mostly dealing with data and how to organize it, you can choose data science here. If you are focusing more on the customer support aspect, you can choose that. If you don't understand which one fits best for your job, simply choose Other and enter your role manually. After giving a few more details, you will be asked which apps you use for your workflow. Here, you can add all the apps you use, whether it's Microsoft Excel, Zoom, Shopify, or even Discord. After you have done all that, you can now see the Zapier homepage. At the very top, you are asked, what would you like to automate? You can be specific here. Let's say you want to send a confirmation email to someone who purchases a product on your online e-commerce store. For this, you will type in, when a purchase is made on Shopify, send a confirmation email to the buyer. As you know already, you can connect both Shopify and Gmail to Zapier and automate your workflow. Once you click enter, the Zapier AI immediately gets to work. It lists out all the steps for you, mentioning the relevant apps and the actions involved. This entire workflow is called a Zap. You can change the order of any steps or remove them as you like. Once you are satisfied, you can click on Try It to get started using the automation. On the next page, you will be asked to connect with all your accounts on the other apps if you haven't already done so. As you can see, you can also add more steps in the middle or after the shown workflow. For example, in addition to an outbound email, you could also send a message regarding the shipping details to their phone number. The possibilities are endless. Once you are finished, simply click Publish and the automation is done. So by now, you've seen how Medallia and Zapier can automate boring, repetitive tasks, but how exactly can you earn money from this? To end this video, I will share with you how you can make $500 to $5,000 by offering this automation as a service. The first and most obvious choice is to sell AI automation services to businesses directly. While most businesses spend hours on repetitive tasks like data entry, email sorting, and social media updates, they don't know AI can fix it. Your job is to sell them an automation setup. For example, you can automate customer support for an e-commerce store. Use Medallia to categorize emails into sections like complaints, refunds, or shipping issues. You can also use Zapier to assign each email to the right category. You can charge a good amount, up to $2,000, just to set it up, and then businesses will also be happy to pay you a monthly fee for maintaining it. Another way to earn money with automation is to sell templates. You don't even have to work with businesses directly. Simply sell pre-made automation templates. For example, you can create an entire Zapier workflow that connects social media updates with emails, and anyone who needs this specific workflow can buy it. Marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell these templates for up to $200. The best part is that it's passive income. You just post your template, and any business or individual who buys it will make you money. Thirdly, you have the option to offer your services on freelancing websites online. I'm sure you've heard of Freelancer and Upwork, and some of you will already be earning money using these platforms. If you search, you'll find that some freelancers are making $100 to $500 per gig, offering a Zapier setup. You can do this too. Offer your services like this. I will automate your business with AI, Zapier and Medallia. You can offer different packages from basic to advanced. To make even more money, you can also offer a maintenance package. So by now you should have a pretty good idea of how you can use AI tools for data entry and automate repetitive tasks. You also know how you can monetize this skill and make money through various means. The best part is that you don't need to spend any money to get started. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do you think you will be using these platforms from now on? Which tasks do you want to automate? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in to this channel for more amazing videos.